Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation using Chatgpt. This presentation has been created by Chatgpt. Now, we will see how I can create a presentation like this. First of all, open any browser and then open Chatgpt. Once it's open, go to the prompt section. Here, I will type, "Write me a VBA PowerPoint code on a holiday in Mauritius and use 8 slides." Hit the enter button, and Chatgpt will start generating the code. Once it's done, scroll up and then click on Copy Code. After that, close the browser and go to the search bar, then type PowerPoint and open PowerPoint. Once it's open, close any unnecessary tabs. Click on File. Then click on Options. After that, click on Customize ribbon. Then go to the right side, scroll down. And click on Developer. Enable the Developer tab by checking the box. Then click OK. After that, click on the Developer tab. Then click on Visual Basic. In the Visual Basic editor, click on Insert and then select Module. Paste the Chatgpt generated text right here. After that, click on the play icon. Now you can see that this is a heading, and these are all the slides. To make it more attractive, click on the Design tab. Then select a design from the options. I think that one is much better than the others. Scroll down to see all the slides. Here, you can insert any picture in the presentation. To do that, click on Insert. Then click on Pictures. And insert any picture. For example, I am inserting an autograph and resizing it. Now you can see it is looking beautiful. And if you want to add photos of Mauritius, open another slide. Then, we need to download the picture from any browser. So, open a browser, go to the search bar, and type Picture of Mauritius. Once it's open, select any picture and save it to your PC. After that, go back to PowerPoint. Right here, click on Insert and then Picture to insert the downloaded picture. Resize it according to the style of the presentation. Now, the text above the picture is not looking good, so let's resize it. Now, it looks much better than before. That's all you need to do to create a presentation using Chatgpt. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.